Simplify. Root 5 plus 2 root 10, everything to bracket square. Solution. We have root 5 plus 2 root 10, then square. We can express this as a product of root 5 plus 2 root 10, also times root 5 plus 2 root 10, because we have raised to the power of 2. So in this case, we are going to use the first term in the first binomial surd to multiply the second binomial surd. So we have root 5 multiplying root 5 plus 2 root 10. Then the second time, in the first binomial expression, which is 2 root 10, we also multiply the whole of second binomial surd. Now, expanding brackets. By expanding brackets, the first multiplier here is root 5. So the multiplier, we multiply the first term here, root 5 times root 5, and that is 5. Then this same multiplier, we multiply the second term, root 5 times 2 root 10, and that will be 2 root what? Because what you have inside bracket can only multiply, what you have inside square root rather, can only multiply also a number inside square root equivalently. Now root 5 times root 10 will give us root 50. Hence, root 5 times 2 root 10 will give us 2 root 50. Plus, what do we have here? This is 2 root 10 times root 5. So we write 2 first. Now root 10 times root 5 will give us root 50 also. Then plus, what are we having here? Now, this multiplier will multiply 2 root 10 now. 2 times 2 outside first will give us what? 4. Now root 10 times root 10 also will give us what? 10. So we have 10 here. This is equal to what? Now we have 5 plus, now we can see that 2 root 50 plus 2 root 50. 2 root 50 and 2 root 50, they are what? They are the same. So we say like terms. So it's just like you adding 2x plus 2x, and which will give us 4x. So 2 root 50 plus 2 root 50 will give us 4 root 50. We are adding the coefficient of root 50 together. So we have 4 root 50. Now, plus, what are we having? 4 times 10. That will give us what? 40. So collecting the like term, what are we having? We have 5. This is another number. Then plus 40 plus 4 root 50. Now, 5 plus 40 will give us what? 45. So we have 45 plus 4 root 50. Then simplifying further, we have 45 plus 4. We can split 50 as what? 25 times 2. Because the highest perfect square number in 50 is 25. So in this case, we have 45 plus 4 into what? What are we having here? This is root 25. That is 5. So we write 5. Then we have root 2. So this will give us 45 plus 4 times 5. What are we having? That's 20. 20 root 2. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.